What if I told you the only thing standing between you and your empire is the way you see yourself right now? Imagine walking into every room with the confidence of a ruler, speaking with the authority of someone who knows their vision will shape the world, and making decisions like a leader whose empire is inevitable. Sounds powerful, doesn't it? Here's the truth. The world doesn't wait for dreamers, it rewards those who act as if their success already guaranteed. Every great empire, from the ancient to the modern, began in the minds of visionaries who dared to act as though their dreams were already real. Today you have the chance to tap into that same power. By embodying the mindset, habits, and energy of someone who is building an empire, you don't just prepare for success, you command it. The universe responds to certainty, and when you act as if your empire is already in motion, you align with the forces that bring your vision to life. So are you ready to step into the role of the visionary leader your dreams demand? Let's dive into how you can harness this transformative mindset and begin building your empire starting right now. Every great empire throughout history, be it Rome, the United States, or groundbreaking modern companies, was first built in the mind before it became a reality. Visionaries saw what wasn't yet there, believed in what others couldn't see, and acted as if their dreams were inevitable. This is the cornerstone of greatness, understanding that all external success begins with an internal blueprint. Your empire, no matter how grand or modest, must first take root in your imagination. What does it look like? What impact will it have? Who will benefit from its existence? Close your eyes and envision every detail: the people, the processes, the outcomes, and even the challenges you'll overcome. This vision is your foundation. But vision alone isn't enough. To bring it to life, you must act as if it already exists. Walk like the leader of your empire. Make decisions as if the success you seek is guaranteed. Cultivate habits, relationships, and skills that align with your future self. Each small action is a brick laid in the construction of your dream. Don't wait for the perfect moment or resources to start. Begin where you are with what you have. The power lies in your consistency, faith, and the belief that what you imagine is already on its way. Your empire isn't some far-off dream. It's a reality waiting for you to claim it. The world is ready for what only you can create. Start building your greatness today. To build a kingdom, you must first act like its king. This isn't about arrogance or entitlement. It's about embodying the mindset of a visionary leader who believes in their purpose and the inevitability of their success. Great leaders throughout history have demonstrated this principle. They carried themselves with the confidence, foresight, and responsibility of someone destined to shape their world. Adopting the persona of a king means embracing self-mastery. A king doesn't wait for external validation or permission to lead. They command their path with unwavering faith. To create your kingdom, you must act as if it already exists. Speak, think, and behave as the leader of your envisioned empire. Approach challenges with resilience, opportunities with strategy, and setbacks with the wisdom of someone who knows their worth and purpose. Kings understand the value of building alliances. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, challenge, and support your vision. Just as a king cultivates trust and loyalty in their court, nurture relationships that align with your goals. Most importantly, acting like a king requires serving your kingdom. True leadership is rooted in service, lifting others, solving problems, and creating value for those you lead. Your actions should reflect the legacy you want your kingdom to leave behind. By thinking, feeling, and acting as the ruler of your envisioned reality, you set in motion the forces necessary to bring it to life. Start today. Lead with intention, rule with purpose, and watch as your kingdom takes shape. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back the energy, thoughts, and beliefs you project. To build your dream empire, you must command the universe with the certainty and conviction of someone who already possesses it. This is the secret of manifestation, aligning your consciousness with the reality you wish to create. Acting as if your empire already exists is not pretending, it's aligning your inner world with your desired outcome. When you consistently think, feel, and act as though your dreams are already a reality, you shift your vibration to match the frequency of what you seek. This alignment activates the universal laws of manifestation, such as the law of attraction, which draws the people, opportunities, and resources needed to bring your vision to life. Begin by visualizing your empire in vivid detail. See yourself at the helm, leading with purpose. Feel the pride, joy, and fulfillment of having achieved your goal. Engage your senses. What does your empire look like? What does success feel like? The more real it becomes in your mind, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Next, take inspired action. A clear vision combined with deliberate steps creates momentum. Trust the process even when results aren't immediately visible. The universe responds to your unwavering faith and persistence. Remember, you are not waiting for the universe to act. You are co-creating with it. Command the universe with your belief. Embody your empire's leader. And watch as your dream becomes your reality. Every great legacy begins with a dream, but only those who dare to step into the role of an empire builder turn their dreams into reality. To go from dreamer to emperor, you must embody the mindset, habits, and vision of a leader whose legacy is inevitable. Here's your step-by-step guide to transforming your vision into lasting greatness. Define your dream. Start with clarity. What does your empire look like? What impact do you want to leave on the world? Write down your vision in vivid detail, your purpose, goals, and the values that will guide your journey. Believe in your vision. Faith is the foundation of all success. Believe with every fiber of your being that your dream is not only possible, but already set in motion. Your unwavering belief aligns you with the universal laws of manifestation. Act as an emperor now. Embrace the qualities of leadership, confidence, resilience, and decisiveness. Make decisions, carry yourself, and speak as though your empire already exists. This alignment creates a powerful magnetic force that attracts opportunities and resources. Take inspired action. A dream without action is just a wish. Break your vision into actionable steps and tackle them daily. Treat every task, no matter how small, as a brick in the construction of your empire. Leave a legacy of service. True emperors lead with purpose, serving others and creating value. Ensure your actions contribute to a legacy that inspires, uplifts, and transforms. Dreamers imagine, emperors build. Start now, step into your role, and claim the legacy waiting for you. The world is ready for your greatness. The secret to manifesting your dream empire lies in a powerful yet simple principle: live the end before it begins. This means experiencing the feeling of your wish fulfilled, acting, thinking, and believing as if your vision is already your reality. When you embody the end state of your desire, you align your thoughts and emotions with its manifestation. This alignment activates the universal law of attraction, drawing the circumstances, people, and opportunities needed to bring your vision to life. Instead of waiting for external validation, you declare with conviction that your empire already exists within you. Start by visualizing your dream in vivid detail. Close your eyes and imagine standing at the pinnacle of success. See the people you've impacted, feel the pride in your accomplishments, and hear the words of admiration from those around you. Engage all your senses until this imagined reality feels as tangible as the world around you. Once you've connected with the feeling of the end, let it guide your actions. Make decisions from the perspective of someone who has already achieved their dreams. Walk with confidence, speak with authority, and carry yourself as the leader of your empire. Living the end before it begins transforms your mindset. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. This state of abundance rewires your subconscious and sets powerful forces in motion, paving the way for your dreams to manifest. Remember, the empire you seek is not outside of you, it is within. Live it, feel it, and watch as it unfolds. Every great empire is built on a strong foundation, and that foundation begins within you. The external world you see is nothing more than a reflection of your internal state, your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and mindset. To construct the empire you dream of, you must first build the empire within. Transformation starts with self-awareness. Ask yourself, what do I believe about my potential? Are my thoughts aligned with success, or do they echo doubt and fear? Your inner world is like a blueprint, and the quality of that blueprint determines the structure of your external reality. Begin by cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of saying, I can't, ask, how can I? Strengthen your belief in your ability to create and lead by envisioning yourself as the architect of your empire. Emotions are equally important. Harbor gratitude for what you have and excitement for what's to come. Feel the pride and fulfillment of achieving your goals, even before they manifest. This emotional resonance creates a magnetic pull that attracts opportunities and resources. Practice daily habits that align with your vision. Whether through meditation, journaling, or visualization, commit to nurturing the empire within. These practices anchor your focus, clarify your goals, and keep you aligned with your purpose. Remember, the strength of your inner world determines the success of your outer world. Build the empire within, and watch as reality mirrors the greatness you've constructed inside. Your dreams are waiting. Begin today. Dreams are powerful, but without action, they remain mere fantasies. To build your empire, you must stop waiting for the right time and start acting as if your vision is already unfolding. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Your time to begin is now. Every great architect starts with a blueprint, but it's the bricks they lay daily that bring their vision to life. Your dreams are the blueprint, but your actions are the bricks. Ask yourself, what step can I take today to bring my vision closer to reality? It doesn't have to be grand. Every small, consistent effort compounds into something extraordinary. Acting as if your empire is already in motion means adopting the mindset of a leader. How would you carry yourself if your goals were already accomplished? How would you speak, think, and make decisions? Embody that persona now. Confidence and conviction are contagious. They attract the resources, people, and opportunities you need. Don't let fear of imperfection hold you back. Taking imperfect action is better than standing still. Every step you take teaches you, strengthens you, and builds momentum. Success isn't about having all the answers. It's about moving forward with determination. Remember, the universe rewards action. When you act with belief and purpose, you set powerful forces in motion. Stop dreaming and start building. Your empire isn't waiting for the right time. It's waiting for you to step up and claim it. The journey begins now. Take the first step today. If you want to manifest the empire of your dreams, you must embody the identity of an emperor long before the physical evidence appears. Success starts within, and how you walk, talk, and think determines the reality you create. To align with the energy of an empire builder, you must transform your behaviors, attitudes, and thought patterns. An emperor doesn't shuffle through life. They stride with confidence and intent. Your posture, pace, and presence send a message to the world and yourself about your self-belief. Walk as if you're already at the helm of your empire, carrying yourself with pride and assurance. Your words have power. They shape your thoughts and influence those around you. Speak with clarity, positivity, and conviction. Share your vision as if it's already a reality. Eliminate self-doubt from your language. Instead of saying, I hope, say, I will. Inspire trust and confidence in your mission. Your thoughts are the blueprint of your empire. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. See challenges as opportunities and setbacks as stepping stones. Regularly visualize your success in vivid detail, and let your imagination fuel your belief in your vision. Emperors take responsibility for their outcomes. They act decisively, learn from mistakes, and persist in the face of adversity. When you align your actions, words, and thoughts with the energy of success, the universe has no choice but to mirror your reality. Start living like an emperor today, and watch your empire take shape. Every great empire in history began with nothing but a vision. Visionaries didn't wait for perfect circumstances. They acted as if their dreams were already inevitable, and the world reshaped itself to meet their belief. The power of acting as if is a principle that has turned countless visions into reality. Take Thomas Edison, for example. Before the light bulb existed, he believed in a world illuminated by electricity. He failed thousands of times, but his mindset never wavered. He worked tirelessly, acting as if success was guaranteed, and eventually it was. Consider Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty and adversity to build a global media empire. She didn't wait for validation or resources. She envisioned herself as a leader, carried herself with confidence, and built opportunities through belief and perseverance. Acting as if she was already successful shaped her reality. Elon Musk imagined a future of space exploration and sustainable energy long before his companies became household names. He invested every ounce of his resources and focus, acting as if his grand ideas were achievable, and they are transforming the world today. The lesson is clear: when you act as if your vision is real, you set powerful forces into motion. Your mindset influences your actions, which create momentum, opportunities, and eventually tangible results. You don't need to have everything to start building your empire. You only need the belief, courage, and determination to act as if it's already yours. Start now and watch your dream grow into reality. The greatest empires are not built with bricks and mortar. First, they are built in the mind. The law of assumption is the ultimate tool for turning imagination into reality, empowering you to create the life you desire by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings with your vision. The law of assumption teaches that whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. It is not enough to simply wish for success or dream of an empire. You must believe, with unwavering certainty, that it already exists within you. When you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you set powerful creative forces into motion. Imagine yourself as the leader of your dream empire. Close your eyes and picture it in vivid detail. How does it feel to stand at the helm? What decisions are you making? What does your environment look like? When you immerse yourself in this feeling, your subconscious mind begins to accept it as truth. This inner belief shapes your outer world. As you act in alignment with your vision, opportunities, resources, and people are drawn to you, often in ways that seem almost magical. Historical figures like Alexander the Great, Thomas Edison, and Oprah Winfrey all began with a vision that they treated as inevitable, despite obstacles. The law of assumption empowers you to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Assume your empire is already yours and take bold steps from that reality. Build it in your mind first and watch it manifest. And there you have it, the blueprint to start building your empire today by acting as if it already exists. Remember, every action, every thought, and every decision you make from this moment forward is a step toward the reality you're creating. The power lies within you, and the moment you embody the role of a leader, the universe begins aligning with your vision. Your empire isn't just a dream, it's your destiny waiting to be claimed. So walk with purpose, speak with conviction, and think with the confidence of someone who knows their success is inevitable. If this message resonated with you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content that will help you take charge of your life and build the reality you've always dreamed of. Share your thoughts and goals in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're stepping into your power. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world is waiting for your empire. Start building it today and watch as your vision transforms into a legacy. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep building, and keep acting like the empire is already yours. You've got this.